Alright.
Pero pagkikiusap lang ako na, this press con natin, please focus yung interview, tsaka parang to, ako kilala niya ako. Si Isabel, dito po, siya ang nagkaliin talaga sa tanong talaga. Para makilala niyo siya kung sino ba talaga si Isabel.
Alright.
Hindi na niyo pakiusap lang. Kasi hindi na ako bago nito.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for attending this press conference. Very grateful and thankful because you are so blessed yung dalawa ni Isabel na by your attendance this afternoon. Buti natigil na si Caridad. Tama ba?
Karina. Oh yeah, ang daming casualty.
Talaga, ng Caridad, naging Karina, Caridad na. Okay, thank you so much for your attendance.
Thank you, Tito Oscar. Eto na, sabi ko nga, the woman of the hour. When I read her resume, sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko, nakakatawa at gusto ko siyang finally ma-meet. And this afternoon, ahead of time kanina, na-meet ko na siya at nagpakwento na akin. Very, very interesting yung kwento talaga niya. Sana marami siyang ma-inspire sa pelikulang ito. Please welcome our lead actress and our producer. Please welcome Miss Isabel Tique. Isabel, greet everyone.
Good afternoon, everybody. Sana nabusog kayo. But I don't know what to expect today. Last night, pinuksan ko ang TV. Pinanood ko ang Notting Hill. Then naisip ko, this is me tomorrow. But not a love story, ha? Because I'm happily married. So naisip ko lang yan, I was thinking, ano kaya? But I know how life works. Pwedeng this meeting could be, or that movie, it will be the end of my career. It could be the start of my career. Nobody knows. I leave it to God. I give it all to Him. But sitting in front of you here right now is already my biggest achievement sa showbiz. Because all of you are people na nakikita ko lang ang mga pangalan sa mga dyaryo, sa media, sa magazines, and andito kayong lahat. So I have already achieved something.
We have a great list of media attendees today, Miss Isabel.
Thank you so much for your time. So, my career, this movie is in your hands right now. If you're gonna make me or gonna break me. If you're gonna make me, bilisan natin ng konti because I'm not getting any younger. I'm 51. Humahabol na lang ako sa mga nangangarap mag-artista. So, if I'm given the chance, gawin na natin. But if you're gonna break me, please break me gently. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Miss Isabel. Sabi ko nga kanina, wala akong idea about what the project is all about. Nakita ko lang yung synopsis, exactly what you guys are reading right now. And today, mapapanood po natin this is a special full trailer po.